where the part 2 of Despicable Me comes out this year.
Oh yeah.
Remember when that movie first came out, and then we heard the sequel, 2013. We're thinking, God, that's so far from now, and look where we're at. We're there.
That's like when they were talking about The Hobbit making that. December 2012. I was like, oh man, that's 2 years away. Good God.
Yeah.
Done and past.
It's almost February 2013.
Yeah.
You still not getting it.
I want to see the butt out here.